Hey, it's DJohnny346 here. Today I'm gonna be opening up this Glaceon GX Megatin, I guess, or whatever you want to call it, tin. Got this from Best Buy on sale. I believe it was like around, I want to say like $11-12, give or take. I guess they had it on sale down from 20, so I thought, hey, perfect time to pick one up, see what we can get out of it. So let's just open it up. See, at least it comes with a GX this time. I've opened the tins where it hasn't come with even anything good inside. So just pop this top off. Put that off to the side. It comes with 4 packs, as you can see right there. Inside of the tin, just empty. It comes with, alright, there's a code card. I'll put that off to the side for now. Here's the code card I'll put off to the side. So here's the Glaceon GX. It's just a promo, so nothing crazy, but it looks really nice. The 4 packs that we get are going to be 2 Celestial Storms, a Crimson Invasion, and a Roaring Skies. So I kind of have high hopes for Roaring Skies, so I'll open Crimson Invasion, then Roaring Skies, and then Celestial Storm. So Crimson Invasion I don't really care about too much, so hopefully we can get something good out of this. I also have another Elite Trainer box to open up after this video. It should be up. Code card. Oh, actually, I'll show it to you guys. There you go. I'll show that one. I'll keep the other ones for now. So we got a Houndour, bring it a little bit closer, Staryu, Jangmo-O, Shelmet, Salandit, Camerupt as the rare reverse holo, and then a Camerupt the regular rare non-reverse holo, followed up with a Water Energy, Fighting Memory, Counter Catcher, and a Hakamo-O. So, okay, I guess Jangmo-O and Hakamo-O. So, that's nice. Not really, but... Roaring Skies is up next. So yeah, I have a Lost Thunder Elite Trainer box that I picked up as well. I'm hoping to... I'll be opening up that one after this. Should be uploaded shortly after this video. If not, if it's already not uploaded. Electrike, Dratini, Execute, Togepi, Fletchling, reverse holo of a Cascoon. Oh, okay, and then we got a rare Deoxys, holographic Deoxys. Makes sense. Cover art of the Roaring Skies was a Deoxys. And then a Togetic, Wide Lens, and a Dustox. So pretty. It was an alright pull. I'll pull out the Deoxys. It was alright. Not bad. But I'm hoping these 2 Celestial Storms will get me something good inside. Instead, anything secret rare, full art, even a regular GX at this point will be really nice. I'll put the code card off to the side. I don't know the trick for these anymore. Beldum, Seedot, Sneasel, Onyx, Torchic, reverse holo of a Nuzleaf, and a rare Registeel, non-holographic. We got a Darkness Energy, a Energy Recycle System, a Marshtomp, and a Sableye. So far pretty boring pulls. I'm hoping we can finish off strong with this last Jirachi Celestial Storm. Man, these packs, they're really hard to open up. So, put that off to the side. Put that off to the side for now. Shuppet, Sneasel, Surskit, Slugma, Voltorb, a rare reverse holo Delmise, and a holographic Heatran. Alright, that's cool. So, nothing crazy, but then Fire Energy, Fisherman, Pupitar, and a Kecleon. So, alright, overall, pretty basic, nothing great. Just pick up just these two good cards, holographic Heatran Deoxys, and then obviously the promo card Glaceon that it came with. That's probably the best card we got from this set. But next video after this, I will be opening up this Elite Trainer Box Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. Hopefully I can get something good out of that one. So anyway, thanks for watching.